close it's gonna get. But okay, let's see. Well, the sound is coming from about the west. Hold on a minute here. Okay, it is barely even. Oh gosh, it's barely even raining. It's like not raining right now. Okay, oh my gosh. What I'm going to do is I'm going to sit in the car. I am going to literally sit in the car, folks. Maybe. Okay, that lightning bolt was up there. I didn't swing it around quick enough, I don't think, but. Okay. It's not going to hit the house, and I'm not going to be fried. I'm not. Gosh, it's raining again. Come on, man. Whoa, man. Oh, gosh. Well, it's raining. I'm not feeling it. I mean, it must be the overhang. Whoa, man. Okay, it's almost overhead. Okay, what you're seeing right there, that's our roof. That's the corner. Oh, looking almost about straight up. This thing is right over our heads. Oh my gosh. It's like, it's literally right over our heads. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Videotaping northeast. Oh, that's a bright. That is bright. Bright. I'm not gonna get zapped. Oh, the lightning bolt was right back. Oh, whoa. Yeah. I'm gonna videotape towards the mountain. Towards the mountain to the east. The rain has stopped again. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. This is an August storm, folks. This is what August does. Yeah. Hello. Oh man. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, see that? Oh man. Oh my goodness. Boy. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Could probably one more bright one. Every one of them is bright, actually, but I'll go for it. Yeah. Yes. I'm coming back. I'm coming back here. Derek. Okay, this is perfect. I'm under the overhang right here, videotaping about almost straight east. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Crazed. Things are retreating over to the. It's trying to go through the pass. A little ways north and east of us. Passes up that direction. Leads to Logan. Yeah. Well, there you have it, folks. Yeah, there we have it. Holy crap. Flip over. Yeah, sheesh. Purple people eater storm. Whoa. That I think was a little brighter. Record to about 12 minutes. That's a good even time. See, we've been getting them tonight. We've been really getting them. Like one after another. And this is the biggest one we've got so far. Okay, after the next one. Yeah. Okay, see you later, folks. This is good stuff.